Hey guys, happy Vlogmas! I just looked at the calendar and I realized it was December 1st and I didn't have a video prepared, so I'm just going to let you guys know that I do have some stuff coming up. I just have nothing edited yet, so I will be trying to post every day this month until Christmas, or until Christmas Eve. We'll see how busy and how on schedule I can be. But I do love the challenge, and right now I'm super back into digitizing and embroidery, so I will be posting a couple of videos on that. I might do like a week series where I just make something embroidered every day of the week. So if you're into embroidery or you're interested about how to digitize and make your own embroidery things, let me know down in the comment box down below. Also, if you have any other suggestions for videos, also put that down below as well. I will be doing some Christmas nail looks, some press-on nails. I can do sublimation things, some vinyl things, whatevs, you know, cutting machine stuff. I have, don't mind that noise, that's my baby. I do have a couple of ideas lined up. I'm not sure if I have enough to do one for every day, but if not, I will also be vlogging as well. So make sure to stay tuned. I will post at least something every day, even if it's a video short, or just something super, what am I trying to say? Something not a full-length video, just something to say hi and let you guys take a little sneak peek into my life. So thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Love you, Ninja Nation. I will be seeing you every day this month. Make sure to keep your notification bell turned on. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment of any ideas or suggestions down below. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Mom, are you done?
Do I look done, son?
Mom, can you apologize to me?
Say hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Who are you?
No, who are you?
Hmm?
Aren't you Baby Ninja?
Yeah.
Oh, say hi, I'm Baby Ninja.
Hi, I'm Baby Ninja.
Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
Okay, bye.
Bye.